afternoon.
Good afternoon, guys. We are currently here at
Loco Taco ese.
Where is it? Loco. We're at Loco Taco.
Original Loco.
Loco Taco, and yeah, they said they're gonna bring out our food. So yep, we're just waiting in the car. Just got our food, and we went to the store to get some drinks. Now we're just looking for a place to chow.
Bella ciao ciao ciao.
Bella chow chow chow. Just parked here at Memo. I got myself here a poke bowl. Yummy, spicy mayo. And this boy got some
Pork
tacos.
tacos.
What kind?
Pork.
Pork tacos. So, gonna chow.
Bella ciao.
Bella chow. Got acai bowls from Pokeyaki. Not sure if anyone would care, but I bought some new stickers for my laptop and I wanted to, you know, put them on. So this is how my laptop looks now. This is a new sticker, by the way. So this is the before and this is the after look. Very random, I know, but this is my style. On our way to pick some mango. Just here at my grandma's sister's farm. Got the goods. Installing the windows today. Yay! Looking good, guys. They did this window already, but they still need to take the silicone and, you know, seal it. And now they're working on my door. They did the other window already. And they're working on the back window. All right, guys, it's starting to look like a room. So the windows, all three, are installed, and the door is also installed. They just need to put the doorknob, and also they need to put silicone on the windows because there's still a gap. So yep, and they're done with the ceiling. So very echoey in here. Echo. These guys' windows are installed. You can see that, and the inside one. And they already did the door frame, or he's still working on it, and then they're gonna do the door. And yep, almost there, guys. Tomorrow will be hopefully the last day. Decorated for Sophia's christening party. Okay, guys, this is the update. All windows are installed and our door is finished. Oop. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Lights have been installed. Oop. And we have all the outlets already. Yep. As for this side, they've cleared up the bathroom. And yeah, I know they're gonna start working on this. Maybe, does this light work? Okay, light does not work yet, but they cleared up that space. And as for Veda and Glenn's room, hey, lights are on. And all the outlets have been installed. So I think tomorrow we're gonna start painting. So that's the update, guys. Okay guys, it's the last day for the construction workers and we're just dropping them home and they wanted to say, don't forget to
Like, camera.
He means comment. Comment.
Subscribe.
Thank you guys.
Just gonna eat pizza by the beach, you know. Watch the sunset.
Pizza again.
Ooh.
Pizza all day, every day.
I'm pretty hungry.
See what we got here. Here, Rino's the pasta. You like the pasta?
Oh shit, that's hot.
Be careful. Looks like a pie.
What is this?
Ike. Oh, the sticks.
Hey, that's for sticks.
I think it comes with it.
And you know, just watching healthy people run by
Look at
us.
This deliciousness. You like? It's just like take it out to cool it down.
You fine.
Then we
This is not a
got
stick. This is a bread.
alright. Then we got the meat lovers for Giovanni. For you?
Can I get the chilies, peppers, please?
And we have the pepperoni. Thank you for coming to our mukbang. Chili. Chili.
Chili.
Feel the burn.
Cheers, cheers,
We're like
cheers.
passing by jogging and here we are eating. Cheers! So, we are currently at Beach Road and we're chowing and watching the sunset. The clouds are covering.
Hey.
And there's people.
You're blocking our
Lucky.
view, man.
See how romantic they're having a little picnic by the beach. Giovanni slept all day. He worked graveyard last night. And yeah, usually when he comes home, I just make him sleep till like around 4 to 5. And
There it is.
oh, check out the sunset, guys.
Segment groups.
Well, hello there. Welcome to my house. Okay, guys, so this is the update. Sorry if it's pretty echoey in here, but yeah, everything seems to be pretty much finished. We do need to, here, let me grab that from you. So, like I said, lights are installed, all the outlets are working. So, we just need to go ahead and put primer on the walls, paint primer, and then paint it hopefully tomorrow. And I know we're gonna take like the silicone and silicone the corners. So everything is secured by some Windex so we can clean these windows. And yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, and they also did the, sorry, but sorry. They also put like tiles over here so like the water doesn't come in. Yeah, that outlet right there is for the AC. My father-in-law installed a disco light right outside our room. Hi guys. Just me and this boy, sir. Just me and this boy. I just wanted to go ahead and end the vlog here. Oh, you're falling. You're falling. Okay. Let's go in the front. Okay. Just wanted to end the vlog here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't as interesting. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye.